Hello and welcome to the Zoom Registration for Churches form. Seems kind of funny that we have a video to help you fill out the form for a Zoom license. However, we've negotiated some really good prices with Zoom, and that makes our form a little complicated. I wanted to walk you through it to take out some of the complication. First off, in our form, you will see you should be able to ace this part. First name, last name, email. There's a drop-down list for you to select your church from one of the 1,000+ churches in our conference and the district. Once you select those, scroll down to the Zoom license section where it gets a little more complicated. First, you need to know that we have two types of license. We have a regular discount subscription license that is $10 per month, and that is about half price from what you would get if you bought these business licenses straight from Zoom. We also have gone a little bit further. The Office of Church Development has offered grants to bring it down to $5 a month. We hope that that helps with ministry and connecting during this very interesting time. So you have a grant subscription that's $5 per month and a discount subscription for $10 a month. You might ask, why would anybody select the $10 per month option? Well, there is a limit of one grant subscription per church. And so if you are in a church and you would like multiple licenses for Zoom so that you can have more than one meeting going on at a time, then you would need to fill out the form again and next time select discount subscription for $10 a month rather than the grant subscription. As you select these, again, down here at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, it will change to reflect the amount based on a whole year. Now, our Zoom licenses only run through July 31st every year, and then they have to renew. So if you are signing up in July or August, you will get a full year of Zoom, and these prices are valid. However, if you're registering and you come across this form in January, let's say, then you will only have 7 months of Zoom, because it will renew July 31st. And so what we need to do is prorate. And in order to prorate to the month, what you have to do is come down here and enter our very secret proration code. Our very secret proration code is WNCC. It says it right here on the form. It's extremely secret. But once you enter that, the number down here will change according to how many months are in your Zoom license, whether you select to go through July 31st of the next year, or if you want to lock in rates for almost 2 full years, you can do that through our form here. The next section of the form is Zoom account emails. And this is important because some churches have a different email for their Zoom account than they would for their personal email account. For example, some churches have Zoom accounts that are zoom@fumc.org, and that is fine. The most important thing to remember with that is that you must be able to receive email at that address. And then there are some important notes here for you to read through just so that you would know, and I'll mention a couple of those now. When you submit this form, you'll be taken to another page to pay with a credit card. All payments must be made within 1 hour of submitting the form, or you'll have to go through that whole process again. And once you submit the form, if your account is not already associated with the Western North Carolina Zoom account, then Zoom is going to send you a request to join our account at the email that you provide. So make sure to watch out for that email once you hit the submit button. It'll come within 2 days. And that is it. Happy Zooming, everyone.